And ang objective natin is you will be self-empowered and magiging successful tayo. What are the benefits of coaching to the coachee? Okay, just pick dalawa, magpili na ako ng dalawa, no? Awareness of himself. Dapat may awareness siya na mangyayari. And, no, they become, okay, put into the real action. Okay? So, ito, toolbox. This is very important. Pag nagpo-coach ka, minsan kasi ang mga feedback, coach, walang nangyayari sa coaching namin. Because you have to realize that the only guarantee that success of coaching will happen is that the coachee will take charge of his own growth and development. Pag nag-agree kayo, nag-contracting kayo, nag-take charge siya sa sarili niya. Coach, gagawin ko yan. Ma'am, sir, gagawin ko yan. Ha? There's a commitment and contribution. Minsan kasi marami, committed. Are you committed? Yes, coach. But do you contribute? Diba? Yun ang problema sa atin minsan. No? We don't contribute. And no, there's a commitment to put results of coaching conversation into the real action. Kaya after our session, no, meron tayong coaching framework. Dapat gawin natin. Okay? Lahat umaambag, lahat gumagalaw. Ha? Okay. Check lang, are you learning? Give me 5, show me 5 if you're, okay pa? Show me 5. Okay? Pag hindi na, fist. 5 pa. Okay, continue. Continue. Okay. So, while we avoid coaching. Sige na, Bek? Bakit nag-avoid ng coaching? We know that coaching is important, right or right? O, pero bakit most people avoid coaching? Ayaw nila. I don't like coaching, ma'am. Nagbibenta ako kahit walang coaching. Right. Yan, ano ba? Ego. Pride and ego. But I've been working in the pharmaceutical industry for 25 years and never could I experience that one person is brought into the ER. Wala, biningon nga. Bakit ka nahirapan maghinga? Kasi naluno ko yung pride ko. Tama, hindi? Pero ang hirap lunukin ang ego and pride. Okay? But never pa in the case na cause of death, nakalunok ng pride. Wala agad, no? Wala. Iba ang cause kung bakit namatay. Okay? So, continue tayo. Okay? It's uncomfortable. Bakit uncomfortable? Kasi, hindi tayo sanay. Tama? Tapos gagawin mo na ngayon. Diba? Just like, okay? Do you, sino mga married dito? Mga babae. Do you tell your husbands, I love you? Do you hug them? Mga lalaki, do you hug your wives? You tell them that you love them? Kung hindi pa, subukan nyo po. At alam mo, ang mangyayari, maganon yan sila. Diyos ko, malapit na matapos ang mundo. Kasi nagbago na ang husband and wife ko. Okay? And no one's like to criticize. No? Kasi ang mindset nila, coaching is criticism. No. Diba? Kaya ako ba, ang iba, I don't want to be coached. Ano man, kasi pinapagalitan ako ng BM ko or EM ko. No, because that's not coaching. In the guise of coaching, but you are doing it in the wrong way. Okay? Then, mayroon din tayong, it takes a lot of time. Sabi ko siya, we have only 24/7. How many hours kayo nag-work? 8. Tapos, meron pang coaching. Diba? Kaya, along the way they give up. Coach, it takes a lot of my time. Because again, I tell you kanina, why most people fail? Because they don't prioritize. If you believe that coaching is a tool that will help you achieve your goal, then make it a priority. Okay? Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yan, the session can get emotional. Alam niyo minsan, di ba, sino ba nakapag-anon sa inyo, di ba, minsan kinakausap niyo yung mga, ninyo, kasama ninyo, umiiyak, hindi. Yes, emotional. Or yung iba, sorry, but I have to tell you, meron ako mga staff before, alam nila na mayroon silang pagkakamali. So anong inuuna nila? Pag upo pa lang, iyak ka agad. Di ba? Para maawa ka. Di ba? So yun, emotional ang coaching daw. And we don't know how to control the session kasi hindi tayo trained. Okay. What are the common barriers to coaching? Number one, lack of leadership from top. Ayaw ng mga leadership na may coaching. And at this moment, I wanted to give a round of applause to our one puhunan leader. Sir, thank you very much for being leading the coaching. Kasi leader to eh. Pag ayaw niya, wala. Tama hindi? O kaya kayo nandito, no? Binigay sa atin to because they want to equip you. Bigyan kayo ng tools para marunong kayong gumawa ng tamang coaching. Okay, so literally yan. Pag sinabi ng leadership na hindi, wala tayong magawa. Diba? And lack of understanding and appreciation. Again, two words, understanding and most people understand, but they do not appreciate. Most people appreciate, but they do not understand. A leader and a manager / coach, you have to appreciate na mayroon tayong ginagawang coaching and you have to understand what are the principles and the things that we should be doing to help our team achieve greatness. Because you cannot achieve greatness with an average mindset. Okay? Kaya ginagawa natin, hindi na manager or leader. Manager and leader. Dapat meron ganun dalawa. Okay, and insufficient, no? Over complicated ang techniques, no? Kailangan mag-practice, insufficient reward and recognition. Later on, no? Sa amin company before, meron kami mga biz coach. No? So we will be recognized and it will be a part of our coaching, no? Iba dapat of our deliverables. No? Sa KPI, meron ba kayong KPI? Yeah, sa KPI namin no, meron doong people development. May presentation doon. Tapos coaching. Okay? Kasi nakatulong talaga sa amin ang coaching. Okay? So types of coaching in the workplace. Very quick. Marami. O yan nga, dami. Gusto nyo isa-isahin ko? Hindi. Okay? Executive coaching, meaning those are the leaders are being coached. Then meron din mga private coaching, may corporate coaching, may one-on-one, may life coaching. In our case, dito tayo. Anong coaching ang gusto natin? Performance and development coaching. Dito tayo. Bakit performance? Bakit performance ang focus natin? Kasi at the end of the day, meron tayong deliverables, right? You have to perform. So, sabi natin kung saan yung direction doon ang tulong natin. So, tulungan natin sila how to achieve. No? How to achieve. Meaning, perform. And not only perform, but develop. Kung nag-grow ka as a person, diba may natutunan ka na kung halimbawa you will be promoted or go to another venture, you will be proud that you are trained by these people here. Okay?